Welcome to our college algebra. Today I will teach you the linear system. We are working in the unit about system of the equation and equalities. System of equation and equalities. Today our main topic is a linear system. To show you what I mean this topic, I will solve some kind the problems like this. For instance, we have this example: 3x minus 4y equals 1, 2x plus 3y equals 12. What is the way that I will to solve this system of equation? I will use the method elimination, okay? Elimination method. So let me write. Elimination method, okay? This is the way that I will to work in to looking for the answer. But before, let me show you couple of keys in these problems. The first key, we have to understand the key number one when we have problems with the system and an equation or inequalities. We have in the first rule, actually, not rule, but the first thing that we have to understand is when we have two graphs, when two graphs intersect. So when two graphs intersect in a single point, we are talking about this kind of problems has a solution, okay? The system has a solution. In this case, the system has a solution, okay? Or give you a solution. For instance, if you have this graph, like here, x and y, and then we are talking about the graph when those kind it has a solution is when you have the graph like this, all right, intersecting this point. So then the system of the equation or inequalities has a solution, all right. So then so it's intersect. This is a main key, okay? See? So let me show the point number 2 that we have to keep in your mind. Keep in your mind, these are another main key when you are working in these kind of problems. The groups are, or the graphs are distant here. So it's called distinct parallel lines. So this is the main key. Okay, parallel lines is, so in this case the system called inconsistent, okay? This called inconsistent. So the system and the equation are inconsistent. It is very important. Inconsistent. These are main word here. Okay, but it's when the graph is the answer is like this. For instance, you have your problem. This is parallel. We are talking about the parallel lines. This, for instance, like this. Parallel lines, right? We're talking about the parallel lines. So the solution of the system here the solution of the system is in this way. We write this sign, this sign. Perfect. Okay, so this is a number 2. Let's see what I mean. The key or number 3. So it's another aspect or a different graph. The graphs are the same line. When the graph here are the same line. The graphs are the same lines. This called disappointment. I mean dependent. They call when the graph are the same line is the care to the equation and say to be dependent. Dependent or yeah, dependent. Is like this we call dependent. When the lines are the same, the graph are the same lines. This is very important. It's called dependent. In this, I'm doing the very close concepts. So I don't want to write too much. Okay. So the solution of this problem or this equation is also the solution of the other. So one solution. In this case, when the solution of the one equation is the same solution to the another equation, okay. One solution, or I mean solution, let me solve solution of one equation. Yeah, let me see, equation. The solution of one equation is also the solution of the other equation. Okay, is the solution of the other equation. Let's show you the graph. It's easy to understand the problem. Okay, it's when you have this graph is look like this. Okay. So two equations are in the same line. So I mean the same line. They have the same line. All right. So the solution of one equation is the solution. Also is the solution to the another equation. So both the same solution. All right. So that's it. So now let's try to solve this the first problem using the method elimination method. In this case, we need in this kind of problem, we need to take it out one variable. But how do that? We need to cancel one variable. In our problem, we have 3x minus 4y equals 1, 2x plus 3y equals 12. You need to multiply for some numbers the equation to make the same and then a positive with a different sign, one variable. In this case, I will to multiply the first one by 2. Multiply by 2 and the second one by negative 2. Negative 2 and the second one by 3. Right? So negative 2 by 3. So let's see, let's do the multiplication and then we will have here negative 2 times 3 is negative 6x, and then minus times minus or negative times negative is equals positive. 2 times 4 is 8, y equals negative times positive, negative 2. So that's the first one. The second one, multiply, this will be here 3x plus 9, yeah, 3 times 3 is 9, y equals 36. So now subtract. We have to subtract here. So cancel one variable. Cancel the first one, and then we added this. Is we will have 70y equals 34, and then y equals 34 divided by 17. So y y is equals 2, right? We have the value for one variable. Now substitute the y in the one equation, then you got the answer for the second equation. Okay, so here I will take 3x minus 4y equals 1. So substitute 3x minus 4 times 2 equals 1. So 3x minus 8 equals 1. So 3x equals 1 plus 8. So 3x equals 9. X equals 9 divided by 3. X is equals 3. That's the solution to the system of the question. What is the solution of this system? The solution is 3, 2. That's the solution, right, of the system of the equation. So this case, the equation, the line, the graph, they cross in this point, So this is the solution. I will not make the graph. It's not the thing. Let me show you another problem. Second one. Let me write solve the system. The system now is 3x. Let's write here 3x. 3x. Let's write minus 2y equals 4. Right? So minus 6x. And then let's write plus 4y equals 7. See our problem right here? 3x minus 2y equals 4, and then minus 6x plus 4y equals 7. All right. Again, we have to try. We needed to take it out one variable. We need to take it out one variable for do that. So we have to see our problem here. We have to multiply. If we multiply the first one by 2, you will have 6 right here. Positive 6 and negative 6. You are able to cancel. All right. So multiply by 2, right? We will have 6x minus 4y equals 8, right? Check. So the bottom one, 6x, just write it the same, 4y equals 7. All right. But see our question right here. See, there's a different system of the linear equation, right? Simplify. So cancel this, and then also cancel here. So this is 0 equals 15. See the answer? That is a false answer. So it's not if both variables, in this case, both variables were eliminated, right? So in this case, on this problem, and we end up with the false statements. So this is false statements. This is false. Here is false statements. All right, and then what happened? And then what is the solution? In this statement, when the result is false, this so this result is a signal that these two equations have no solution. Okay, so these two equations have no solution. So no solution when you see the problem. Okay, this is no solution at all in common. All right, when you have so in common. All right, this system of the equation is inconsistent identical. So this system this system of equation is inconsistent, or this system is inconsistent, right? See, remember I show you in the description at the beginning three main points. So it is inconsistent, our problem, all right? So let me so this is the solution. This is our answer. So the solution set, so solution set is, remember the sign is in this way, right? I give it to you the explanation. All right, okay. So now let's try to solve let's solve the system. Let's write number 3, problem 3 right now, right? Minus or negative 4x plus y equals 2. Here 8x minus 2y equals negative 4. See, again we have to see our system here. So we have look at the variables here, look at the variables and the variable x, the variable y. So we have to multiply some number for some number which we are able to cancel one variable, okay? So in this problem, let me multiply the first one, multiply by multiply by 2, right? You multiply by 2, we are able to cancel one. At least I'm looking for x. So this is ax plus 2y equals 4. The second one, just write ax minus 2y equals negative 4. Oh. What is the problem here? Do you see? It's another key here, which I explained it to you in the 3 keys, in the 3 main points at the beginning of my class today. So so cancel here, and then cancel here. So this answer here is 0 equals 0. So what I mean this? This true statement is this is true. Okay, this is true, right? It's true statement here. The two equations have the same graph. I mean here, the two have the same graph. See? And then what is the solution? These are on infinity number of simultaneous solution of the system. So infinity here, let's write infinity number or simultaneous solution, yeah, for the system. So the way to write the systems, then these problems is let me write one open the sign of group x comma y here, such in the beginning, such negative 4x plus y equals 2 cross, or x comma y such 8x minus 2y equals -4. So either one, you find the solution for only for single equation, the solution is for the other, the numbers, so the solution for one equation also is the solution for the second equation. Why? Because this graph is the same graph. It's the same. It belongs to the same graph. The line is for the same. So that's the answer. Our problem. We use, remember, the elimination method to work to solve these problems. Linear system. We are talking about the system of equation of inequalities. College algebra. So thank you so much. I'm here. Remember, on Monday and Thursday at 3 p.m. Mondays and Thursdays 3 p.m.